Okay, I'm here with my good friend Stephen, who for a hobby is an auto detailer. Takes a great deal of pride in just detailing cars and getting them to look great, protecting the paint, protecting the interiors. And so what he's going to do for us today is he's going to take us step by step through the processes of what he did with his brand new high-performance Tesla Model 3 to protect the paint and to protect the interior. So with that, Steve, I'm going to throw it in your ballpark. Just briefly, overall, what did you do? And then what we'll do is we'll take a look at the car and I'll film. You can show, show us hands-on what you did.
Yeah. So I was a little apprehensive with the Tesla because, like Dom said, it's had some paint issues. It's notoriously known for having very soft clear coat, which micro-mars if you even wipe a microfiber towel against the, if you're doing a finishing touch on it. So I reached out to a couple of my friends that are detailers and I asked them some of their experiences with it. And I was actually pleasantly surprised when I got this one. I think they're getting the paint and the clear coat better. It's not definitely a medium clear coat. It's between a medium and a soft.
Okay.
I was able to, when I did my final wipe downs on it after I washed it, I did some test panels with some very soft microfiber, probably about 500 GSM, and just dragging it across the paint, it wasn't micro-marring, which I was happy about. And I was doing that because I was going to polish it before I put a ceramic coating on it. So the first things I did to the Tesla was I did a decontamination wash with a all-purpose cleaner rinse. Mm-hmm. I did a foam cannon wash and then a contact wash. After I got the paint clear, then I also used a iron remover, sprayed it on all the panels, including the rims, to remove any embedded contaminants from any brake dust or any fallout.
Right.
I also used a tar remover. Did the same process, sprayed it all over the car and the rims, because you want that clear coat as clean as possible before you polish. It also lessens the wear on your pads when you polish. You could polish through those things, but it's better if you do those two steps. A little longer, but it saves you in the long run on the polishing part. And then after I did that, dried it completely with an air dryer, then I polished it. Because it was brand new, it only had 15 miles on it when I took ownership, and I think about 400 miles on it when I detailed it. There wasn't any deep scratches or anything on it, just some little love marks or some swirls. What I did first to the car before I polished it was I had a paint protection film put on the front. The hood, the front nose, and both side fenders and side mirrors. And then I polished the rest of the car with a orange Lake Country pad and a one-step 3D1. It's an all-in-one polish. It has a compound polish to it. So once I polished it, and then I did a final panel prep wipe down to remove all the oils, because the compound polish I use has no fillers in it. Mm-hmm. Then I was able to go ahead and ceramic coat it, which I did. I ceramic coated the whole car, all the painted surfaces, the door jambs, trunk, and everything. And then I treated the leather. I put a ceramic coating on the leather, and then I did a fabric coating on the carpets.
Oh, okay. So what kind of ceramic coating did you use?
So I used, and this is the first time I used it, there's a detailer in Pennsylvania, his name is Brian Spittler. He owns Apex Auto Detailing back there. He created a ceramic coating. It's a 3 to 5 year coating. If you maintain it properly, you'll get 5 years out of it. It's a ceramic coating with a topper that actually sheets the water off of it instead of beading the water, which you can buy the topper that also beads if you wish. Everybody's all focused on beads. But from a detailing aspect, if it rains and my car's sitting outside, I don't want water beads sitting on it if the sun comes out, because it's going to etch even the ceramic coating, it'll etch it.
You get the hard water spots, and it'll etch the coating. Okay. Yeah. And that's even more difficult to clean.
Yeah.
And then what type of wrap did you use on the car?
So I used 3M. It's a 10-year warranty wrap. And so the caveat to the wrap is some wraps, some PPF films, you can ceramic coat over them. This one you cannot, because it has self-healing properties on it. Meaning if there is a little nick on it, it actually heals itself to where it repairs it.
Really?
Yeah. It actually has a UV protection in it. It's against fading, against yellowing, because that was the other thing I was worried about. Some of these PPF companies, they'll their wraps are great, but after about 2 or 3 years, they start to discolor and look yellow. So this one, actually, all I had to do was just wash it, and I was able to put the topper on it. You can't put anything that's going to lock in on top of the coat, on top of the PPF. But the topper is okay, because the topper is only going to last about 2 months.
And what topper is that? It's
the Apex Rehydra Sheet.
Rehydra Sheet.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the same one that I have on the rest of the car.
Oh, that's going to get the water to sheet off the car.
Absolutely.
So you can put that on the 3M wrap. Okay.
Yep.
Oh, cool. And then, like you said, you did the ceramic coating. And so you ceramic coated the interior as well, and you did the carpet. So let's take a look at it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So just go ahead and point out the things you did, or show us what you did.
So we'll start with the front. So the front has PPF film on the hood, the full front bumper, the side fenders, and the side mirrors. Obviously, there's no grille on the Tesla, so my thinking is I wanted to keep it as free as possible from any rock chips, and this will prevent any rock chips or any minor like door dings and stuff like that. From there, I went on. You can see the rest of the body of the car. The Apex, it's called metal oxide coating. It's on the glass, all the plastic trim, and all the painted surfaces.
Okay. And plus, you had the tint done too, right?
Yeah, I had ceramic tint all the way around, including the windshield, which definitely cuts down on the glare from the sun, because it's such a huge windshield.
Right. So let's take a look at...
Take a look at inside?
Yeah, take a look at the interior on the seats. So you even did the ceramic coating on this?
Yeah, so the one thing that I was a little hesitant about is the Alcantara fabric that's on the insets of the doors here.
Right.
Most notably, those can be very difficult with body oils and day-to-day just dirt. So what I did was I got a cleaner and a protector from Koch Chemie to basically clean that and condition it and protect it, so it will repel any stains.
Oh,
it's a 6-month coating. So as long as you maintain it every 6 months, it'll maintain those properties.
Wow.
And then on the seats, I used the Geon leather shield for the seats, the armrests, the dash, and all the side panels of the doors, because it's good for plastics as well, and any leather accents, including the steering wheel.
Cool. Awesome.
Yeah.
So great. So that concludes this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you later. Take care and have a great day.